Hi, my name is Steve Nomura. Welcome to my video series where I talk about common mistakes new real estate investors should avoid. In this video, I'm going to talk about taking more action instead of concerning too much about making mistakes. In my another video, I emphasize the importance of education. If you try to do this business without any education, for me, it's like committing suicide. That's why I emphasize the importance of education. But same time, I have to tell this, okay? You cannot understand everything 100% completely in this business. Therefore, at a certain level, you have to start taking actions. Some people are concerning too much about making mistakes that stop people to take actions. Of course, at the same time, to study and getting more new knowledges is very exciting. Therefore, people are so much comfortable to learning in your home, in your desk, at your desk. Then don't take action. That's a mistake. You have to get out. Especially real estate is the sales business. The first thing to do is start generating leads. If you don't have any leads, such as sellers or buyers, or money, especially seller properties, you cannot do any business in real estate. This is my story. 13 years ago, when I started this business, I tried to start buying property using short sales. I spent for 2 days to understand the whole process of this short sale. I got some level of understanding, but of course it's not perfect. But I just started generating leads because I thought complete understanding never comes. That's why I put the advertisement on the website. And then I got the several sellers calling. Then I met the owners, and then every step I have to study more seriously than before. In this way, I got the much deeper understanding of short sale strategies. Of course, I made a mistake. I couldn't close a deal in the beginning, but each time I got the so much deeper understanding in these strategies. I strongly recommend you to study first, but you have to start generating leads to use that strategy so that you can understand more deeply. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button. Also, click the subscribe button for upcoming videos on the series where I discuss common mistakes new real estate investors should avoid.